Today at Q9 PowerSports we have an instructional video on how to do a valve adjustment. The tools that you will need: 14mm deep well socket wrench, needle nose pliers, flathead screwdriver, 17mm wrench, 9mm wrench, a feeler gauge, and a 10mm socket. First step, remove your spark plug coil. Then, using your 10mm socket, loosen up the bolt, which just removed this cover. Next step, remove the two service covers on the side of the engine using your flathead screwdriver. Next, remove the two service caps that reveal your valves using your 17mm wrench. Next, with your 14mm socket, spin your flywheel, always spinning counterclockwise. Spin until you reveal the T located on the top of your flywheel, meaning top dead center. Next, on this side cover, where your chain is located, the JD and the dot should be directly sandwiched in between the two head bolts. Next, using your 9mm wrench, loosen the nut, then by hand loosen the screw center with your metric feeler gauge at 0.05. Sandwich it in there. Using the pliers, tighten your nut back down. Using the pliers, hold the screw center, because you no longer want that to move. Tighten your bolt, and you're all set. Then you would proceed to do that on the underside, where the other valve is located. Put everything back together, zip it up, and you're all done.